What's going on, YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to put a skateboard wheel onto a skateboard truck. Alright, so here we go. Alright, so I'm going to show you how to put the skateboard wheel on the truck and how to take it off. Alright, so this is how you take it off. Take your tool, lock it in, locked in, twist to the left, because lefty loosey, righty tighty. So you're going twisting to the left. That comes off. Alright, so now your wheel's off. You see that? Oh wow, that cover of my bearing came off already now. Well, might as well take that off. No point in showing you that, but bearing cover. Alright, so then to put it back on, wow. Just put it on. You know what I mean? Just, it's not on, you know. Just put it on. Make sure that washer gets on there. And then you put the bolt on. And then you twist to the right to make it tight. A little tighter. Yeah, and there you go. Alright, so that was how you put the wheel on and take it off the truck. So alright, please like, comment, subscribe, and share. It really helps me out. Say hello to my cat. She's eating food. All right.